Welcome to everybody. This is part 10 of sales training program. Prepare for every meeting. Before going into see a prospect, say to yourself, I am a great salesperson and this is going to be a great call. Repeat that several times. Get yourself psychologically prepared for a good experience. All obstacles are mental. There are two major obstacles to making and closing any sale. They are both mental. They are the fear of failure and the fear of rejection. The fear of failure is the biggest single reason for failure in adult life. It's not failure itself, but the fear of failure, the prospect of failure, the anticipation of failure that causes you to freeze up and perform at a poor level. Standard objections. Every customer has made countless buying mistakes. He has purchased services that he later found were overpriced. He has bought products that broke down and that he could not get repaired. He has been sold things that he did not want, could not use, and could not afford. He has been burned so many times in sales experience that he is like a long tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Fear of rejection. The second major obstacle to selling is the fear of rejection. This is a fear that the potential buyer might say no. The fear of rejection is triggered by the possibility of rudeness, disapproval, or criticism towards the salesperson by the prospect. The rule is that 80% of sales calls will end in a no for a thousand different reasons. This does not necessarily mean that there is anything wrong with the salesperson or the product or service being sold. People say no because they simply do not need it, do not want it, cannot use it, cannot afford it, or some other reason. It simply means that you are talking to the wrong prospect. So this is the end of part 10 of our sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos. Good day. Thank to you for listening.